Welcome to the EVS class. Good afternoon, one and all. And see here, yes, we were doing the topic the wheels. Now, what we will be doing? We will be continuing with this topic and we'll complete the lesson today. And we'll start with another lesson, that is means of transport, which is our next lesson. Okay, so what we will do? We have not completed one exercise, that is writing a short story on how the wheel was invented. If you go to this page number 63, okay, if you go to this page number 63, you will find that story, isn't it? Yes? Are you able to hear me? Yes, okay. So now what we have to do is, you have to write down that short story. For example, here what they have written, yes, someone noticed. Now, one point is someone noticed. Someone noticed, okay. Now point 2 is someone noticed, then someone else noticed. Someone else noticed. Someone else noticed. This is point 2. This you have to make a story. He might have. Number 3 is he might have. Okay, you have to continue the sentence. You have to complete the sentence with your own words. Then someone cut. Then someone cut. Okay, and number 5 is he used the wheels. He used the wheels. Okay, this way. So these are the 4 points. So what you have to do is, you have to complete the sentence on your own. You have to complete the sentences on your own. For someone noticed. Now someone, what they have noticed? Someone noticed that log is falling down from a mountain. This is my sentence. You can imagine any sentence and you can put it. Okay. Someone noticed that a log was falling down from the mountain. Someone else noticed that log is round in shape. And then he might have thought that round things can roll easily. Seeing the log falling down from the mountain, he might have thought that round things can roll very easily. Then someone cut the round pieces of log. Okay, then someone cut the round pieces of log and he used it in the wheel and made the heavy loads carry very smoothly. So this was my story. I have made the sentences with these sentences. What you children have to do is, you have to write down the sentences in your own words. It is very interesting, children, and you should do it. Okay, you should do it, the invention of the wheel. What the first person have noticed, what another person have noticed, and then what they thought and what they did and what is the result. This story is about the invention of wheel. Already we have discussed. And those who have problem with making the sentence, what they have to do is, they have to go through the lessons thoroughly. You read the lesson twice and thrice, then you will be able to make the sentences. That's why I am not giving you these sentences, because everything I can't spoon feed to you, isn't it? Something you also have to do. So what you have to do is, you have to make the sentences, write it in your notebook, click shot it, take the picture and send it to me. Okay? Yes. Now this is the story. So now we will be going to our next lesson. That is means of transport. Okay. Now lesson is means of ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो व्हाट इज द मीन्स? देखो हमने बिफोर व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. हमने क्या पढ़ा था? मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट इज द कम्युनिकेशन? द वर्ड्स विच वी स्पीक, वन टू वन कम्युनिकेशन होता है. जो हम यहाँ से बोलते हैं और बाकी लोग सुनते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कम्युनिकेशन. जब हम हमारे थॉट्स, वट एवर द थॉट्स इज गोइंग इन योर माइंड, जो आप सोचते हैं वो आप बोलते हैं और सामने वाला वो सुनता है एंड देन वो रिएक्ट करता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कम्युनिकेशन. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा था पहले इन आवर लास्ट लेसन? दैट इसको कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. और कम्युनिकेशन के जितने भी मीडियम होते हैं जिसके थ्रू हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं उसको हम मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. लाइक टेलीफोन आपने बताया था, लाइक मोबाइल, ओके, लाइक इंटरनेट, टीवी, जिसके थ्रू हम कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं. वन टू वन मतलब एक से एक कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं और एक से बहुत ज्यादा को कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं. तो हमने इसके मीन्स पढ़े थे कि हम किस तरह से कौन से डिवाइसेस यूज करके हम कम्युनिकेट दूसरे से करते हैं. आज हम क्या पढ़ेंगे कि ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है और उसके मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है. तो लेसन इज वेरी इजी बिकॉज यू नो दैट ट्रांसपोर्ट मीन्स व्हाट? कैरिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. That is called as transport. कोई भी सामान, कोई भी luggage, when you are carrying from one place to another, that is called as transport. अब आप वो luggage हाथ से उठाकर भी जा सकते हैं, that is also a transport. लेकिन जब हमें थोड़ा दूर जाना होता है and when the things are very heavy, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We use different means of transport. अलग अलग तरीके के हम ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करते हैं, अलग अलग तरीके के हम व्हीकल्स यूज करते हैं. कभी हम बुलेट कार्ट यूज करते हैं, that is also a means of transport. जिन जिन चीजों में हमें व्हील्स की जरूरत पड़ती है वो सारे means of transport है, isn't it? कभी हम एरोप्लेन यूज करते हैं लगेज फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर कंट्री जाने के लिए, या फिर फ्रॉम वन सिटी टू अनदर सिटी जाने के लिए. एंड टू मूव फास्टर, अगर हमें बहुत जल्दी जाना है तो हम एरोप्लेन यूज करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास थोड़ा सा टाइम है, सो व्हाट वी डू? वी यूज ट्रेन. समटाइम्स वी यूज बसेस ऑल्सो, वी यूज स्कूटर, साइकिल, isn't it? तो हम जिस तरह से हमारी इमरजेंसी है, हमारी नीड है, उसी हिसाब से हम लोग मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करते हैं, isn't it? So these are the means of transport. So tomorrow what will I do? I will be showing you a beautiful video on means of transport. Okay? Then what I will do is I will be showing you some of the means of transport जिसको आपको identify करके उसके नाम भी आपको बताने होंगे. But today what we will do? We will be doing the hard words of the means of transport, and then you have to go through the textbook today. Okay, and then tomorrow again I will explain you with the video. So come on children, today we will be writing down the hard words. Okay, yes, so take out, be ready with your notebook and pencil and eraser. This story you should write. This is your homework and it's very important also, because it will help you to construct the sentences and will help you to imagine also. Okay, which video they are talking about? I'm not understanding. Now here, lesson 15. Lesson 15, okay, means of transport. Write down the name of the lesson. Write down the name of the lesson. Write down today's date. Write down today's date. 8/12. Okay. Now write down the hard words. One, two, three. This way you write down till 10. First word is carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Then the second is oars. Oars, sail. Oar matlab chappu. When you ride the boat जो person है boatman, what they use oars. पानी में नाव चलाने के लिए हमें चप्पू चाहिए, isn't it? That chappu is called as oars. Transport. Number 4 is transport. Number 1 is carry. Number 2 is oars. Number 3 is sail. Number 4 is transport. Number 5 is invented. Number 5 is invented. Number 6 is wheels. Number 7 is vehicles. Number 8 is steel. Number 9, petrol. Number 10 is diesel. Number 11, motor vehicles. Vehicles which moves on motor are called as motor vehicles. Diesel, D-I-E-S-E-L. All the spellings are there in your textbook, children. That's why what I am doing is, I am not going to send the picture in your Google Classroom, because you have to hear me when I am saying the words. That time you have to underline the hard words. In your textbook, everything can't be given you spoon feeding. Okay? Let it be. Let the board is not clear. Okay? You listen me and then you have to underline the words in your textbook and then you have to write it down. I am not going to send this picture in your Google Classroom. You listen properly and you have to underline the words in your textbook, write down the words in your notebook and then you send it to me. Is it clear? Yes. So number 1 is carry. Number 2 is oars. Number 3, sail. Number 4 is transport. Number 5, invented. Number 6, wheels. Number 7, vehicles. Number 8, steel. Number 9, petrol. Number 10 is diesel. Number 11, motor vehicles. And then number 12 is trucks. Number 12 is truck. T-R-U-C-K-S. Trucks. Number 12 is truck. And then locomotive. Locomotive. L-O-C-O-M-O-T-I-V-E. Locomotive. Number 14 is railway. Number 14 is railway. Number 15, engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. Then what else left? Railway is over. Number 16, Kolkata. Okay, number 16 is Kolkata. You will find these words in your textbook. Then it is metro. Metro, easy spelling. Metro. Number 18, subway. All these words I am going to explain you through the video. Okay, subway. Now is, next is water transport. Water transport. Number 20, digging. D-I-G-G-I-N-G. Digging. 21, ship. This is ship, not sheep. Ship is animal. S-H-E-E-P. Ship is animal. This is ship. Okay. Some more words I am going to give you. Just a minute. Then is fisherman. Fisherman. Ship, that is S-H-I-P. Ship. Number 22 is fisherman. Fisherman. I'm going to again read this word. Number 1, carry, because from 1 to 8 I will be rubbing it out. That's why I am reading it. Number 1 is carry. Number 2, oars. Number 3 is sail. Number 4, transport. Number 5, invented. Number 6, wheels. Number 7, vehicles. Number 8, steel. Then number 9 is petrol. Number 10 is diesel. Number 11, motor vehicles. Motor vehicles. Number 12 is trucks. Number 13 is locomotive. Number 14, railway. And then number 15 is engine. Number 15, engine. Number 16 is Kolkata. Number 17 is metro. 18, subway. Number 19, water transport. Number 20 is digging. Number 21, ship. Number 22 is fisherman. Okay, it is fisherman. Now, next word is motor boats. Like it was motor transport, the same way motor vehicles, in the same way motor boats. The boats which runs on the motor. आपको अच्छे से पता होगा, whenever you go to park or somewhere, so you can see the motor boats in the water and you sit and enjoy there, isn't it? That is motor boat. So number 23 is motor boat. Number 23, motor boat. Number 23 is motor boat. Then number 24, aluminium. Aluminium. Okay, 24 is aluminium. Number 25, it is helicopters. Helicopters. It is also a means of transport, helicopter. Then it is aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane. Write down aeroplane, it's easy way. Then 26 is over, now 27, it is the last. Runway. Runway. रनवे मतलब जहाँ पे एरोप्लेन्स रन करते हैं, दैट इज रनवे. जहाँ से उतरते हैं और जहाँ से चढ़ते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रनवे. So these are your 27 hard words, and many words are very much common for some children. Those who are studying hard, they know the spellings, and children those who don't study, don't pay attention in the class, even in the online class, only complaining, keep on complaining, this, that. For them, these words are there. Go through the textbook, underline in the textbook and read it out and learn the hard words. Okay. So you learn the hard words, and what we will do in our next class, I will be taking the dictations. I will be taking out the dictation and then showing you the video. And of this lesson itself, these hard words I will be taking the dictation, और आप लोग मुझे send करेंगे in the Google Classroom. Okay? Yes, very good. So all might have written this, and those who have not written, they should, what they should do, you should be, yes, very good. Many have completed their work. They should write it down in your notebook. Okay, go through the lesson, because with the video I am going to explain it to in my next class. But this spelling will also be there, and I will be taking down your dictation. Okay, now see you in my next class with a good video. Until then, what you will be doing, you will be completing today's homework, that is the wheel, invention of wheels story, that you will complete, and also you have to complete this hard words. Children, you always remember, whenever the school opens, your notebook will be collected for correction, and that time I am going to write down the work is not completed, and your assignment marks will not be given. Okay, so whenever the classes are going on, whatever the homeworks are given, you write it down and send the picture in the Google Classroom. Okay, so thank you very much. Yes, thank you everyone. Go through the lesson and read your lesson properly with the correct spellings. Okay, thank you.